Lights, camera, action. Okay. I'm trying to figure out how I want to start this. What was that? What the fuck was that? Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am doing this video because I recently went online and bought 11 hair pieces. I really forgot what I bought because it was so long ago. But we're gonna find out because they're in this box and I'm about to open right now. Let's see what's in the box. What if I come in the window? This box is crazy. These wigs have been in. Is this the same? What the? There's no way. I think I ordered 2 of the same wig. Oh, what kind of shit is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 10. Okay, I'm about to try all these wigs on. Okay, the first wig is called Mara. Mara. It's hot. I'm scared to put this on. What the hell? Look at this. What is this? Why are you laughing at me? How crazy does this look?
Chris Jenner, but it was black.
I need to see what I look like. I need a mirror. I can't be out here like this. Okay, I'm about to use the photo booth on my left. No, there's no way. What? Do I look like this? Look at me. Okay, it might not be that bad. I'm sorry, y'all. They got a fucking fly killer in here and it makes a fucking horrendous noise when it kills a fly. Okay, I gotta take this off. Okay, I mean, I can do something with it.
No.
Maybe because I got this fucking cow thing on. Okay, wig number 2 is a boss wig. It's called Porsche. Let's go. Ooh, I'm about to become a new bitch in this one. Quite synthetic-y. Okay. How do it look? It feels, it's already like tangled a lot, but I mean, it don't look too bad.
It looks good.
Yeah?
Yes.
I probably won't be able to do too much with it, but this is one of those wigs where you literally have to comb it and brush it and like, it just sit like this. You can't move or...
So it's picture perfect.
Picture perfect, that's what it is. This is perfect for a picture. Yeah? Porsche. Yes, it's alright, it's alright. Porsche's gone. Let's do this one. Called a Robin. Okay, Robin, let's see what you're talking about. I don't know why I bought these short wigs. Maybe I was going through something. That's crazy. What?
It looks like a bowl cut.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a bowl cut. Why are you saying no? What you saying no? What?
We're both saying no.
What y'all don't like this one?
Mm-hmm.
It's supposed to look like this. Maybe because it don't look like this on my head. Maybe I need to poof it. Still a no?
Yeah.
It's not a lot.
Robbie, you're a dud. Don't be coming for my wigs, bitch.
I'm not coming for your wigs. I'm just saying they need to style it.
I'm coming for your wigs.
Okay, next we have a lace front premium synthetic wig by Bobby Boss.
That one's gonna be cute.
It's called Yarra. 2 thumbs up. I like this one. But I'm wearing a different wig every day. Every single one.
Don't do this one.
I'm really being real careless with these wigs. Don't do this to your wigs at home. Lena?
Lena.
I'm
Hola,
saying,
Lena.
I feel like it's Lina. Lina sounds better than Lena.
No,
Hola.
that sounds better than Lina.
Lena?
Lena. Hola.
No,
Lena.
because it's like you lying to me.
Lina.
Yeah, you lying to me.
Lena. Let's put on Lena. Get off.
I like that one.
Yeah. I like these like this in short.
Aren't center parts supposed to make your forehead look smaller though?
Swoops and make your hair look, your forehead look smaller. But if you get the middle part, like your forehead is out. It's all out there. You're exposed to the world as the big forehead bitch you are. I think I actually got this one. This one I used to wear to work, but I lost that one in a hurricane.
The hurricane called your car?
Or a tornado called my car.
Next.
Do the blonde.
What?
Do it.
Oh, look at
This Empress wig. What's this called? It's called Sierra.
I bet you $5 as soon as she puts it on, she's gonna have a white girl voice.
I like Sierra. Hello, my name is Sierra.
Oh, she's already doing it.
Ooh.
That's a lot of pearls.
Ooh.
I look like an octopus.
Don't come for her already.
That one.
This is crap. Are y'all ready for the reveal of Sierra?
Oh my god.
Ooh. Wait a minute.
It's cute though.
Okay. Sierra isn't bad. I don't know where the hell where is that though?
Oh, we go to Mangoes.
Oh,
Girl, why you wanna go to Mango for job?
excuse me. I want to go to Mangoes. When are we going? Can we
She's
go?
literally obsessed with mangoes ever since
Well,
that first time we went.
Well, I want to dance. This is the only
You don't have
place
to go
I-
to Mangoes to dance.
Where are we going to dance? Show me a place.
She was gonna do some salsa.
Yeah.
It's kind of growing on me. Well, these next wigs are, I don't know why I bought them. I must have been on drugs. I had to be on drugs.
You don't.
I'll wear this
You
to
do.
work. I'm wear this to work. Good morning, sir, ma'am.
It's not a
Everything about report for duty. I like her. What's she doing? She like.
Just like a bitch.
Chin up. There you go. I'm not smiling.
I'm gonna be gentle with Sierra because she has the curls. Okay, which one? She give me this one first. That was good. It's called It's a Wig. It's a Wig. Her name is Nuna.
Whoa.
Nuna. Nuna?
Nuna?
Nunia? I don't know about this.
Nuna's is ready to go to a party and like.
She ready to. This like one of them
1940s, 50s, and was just going ready to go to the.
That's the brothel wig.
Yeah.
It's like a brothel wig.
She's ready to dance.
Well, if I'm ever ready to steal my cootie cat, I got the wig.
You did not just call it a cootie cat.
It's like, you can be ready. I can see you in Bruce Flag. Like,
Bitch, look at these finger waves.
Do you know what a brothel is?
yes, I do.
Then why are you talking about dancing?
Excuse me, they
What
do
is a
shows
brothel?
too.
What is a brothel?
No, they don't.
Well, I guess a brothel is like a strip club.
Yes.
Or keys. They dance.
With only private rooms?
They
Yeah,
dance.
exactly.
Brothels have mingling areas too,
Yes.
where the guys scout the
Where
girls.
they pick their females and then they go and they...
That's why they do a
If
show.
The girls do a show.
They do
so
a show and then
get
they pick
picked.
them.
I feel like that's more like Gatsby.
Oh, you're right. You're
Yes.
right. It is Great Gatsby-ish. Y'all, wait a minute. Cause this might be something. Y'all playing. Oh! It's not ugly. No, I'm confused. I'm confused. Going down. Did it go this way or the other way? It's not ugly, right? I actually like this one. Where the picture at? All right, Nuna. Nuna. It's a wig. It says I can iron it. Iron friendly.
Maybe if you're feeling adventurous one day.
Adventurous.
Like that's not like a going out to the grocery store kind of wig.
How come I can go to the grocery store with this wig? Imagine me pushing the cart.
Cause then you'd be looking extra.
Hey, Bob. How's that cereal? Frosted Flakes? Yes. This is a all-purpose wig. I don't know what's going on with this picture right here. This is like a Jerry curl. Instant fashion wig. Her name is Lala.
Ooh, la la la.
Eventually, I'm probably gonna cut this one.
Why?
So you have to make it more of an afro instead of fucking Jerry curl, bitch. What year are we in?
Excuse me.
Even yours is in the afro. It's not like this. It ain't Jerry.
Oh my god. You look like a poodle.
No. Y'all. Afro? Huh?
You look like Prince.
So, do you remember that movie where Tyler Perry like took all those people like to the cabin up there, and she actually left her husband?
Oh yeah.
You look like her.
Okay.
I don't know her name, but you look like her.
Like this, right? This.
Yeah, it's like too much on top.
It's like
It's too much,
It's
like all around.
It's like 80s and 90s over there.
What does the back look like?
But
This is a rock concert wig. A concert wig. I can rock out with this.
do the headbanging again.
like, right? What?
Prince.
No.
I look like this bitch. Don't I? Nah.
Hell no.
Don't do my wig.
They look the same. Look at that.
Look, come over here. We look the same.
No,
Your
we're not.
curls are more defined. If her curls were defined, they would look the same.
I have natural curls.
Get away from me. Okay, this is a I can't even read. Free tress wig. Charlie. This Cardi B, when she came back.
Oh, yes.
It's Cardi B's comeback wig. Hold on, wait a minute. Something ain't going right.
I don't know. I think the way it was laying in the box for so long.
Right. I feel like this looks wrong.
It flattened out from being in the box.
Doesn't look bad.
Yeah, no, I like it.
It's a thing that it can grow on you, like, you know, a look. I can see it.
So what? This is a no? Yes?
See it.
Yes?
I think it's just like fighting with Cardi.
Hey, bitch want party with party. Party with party. This one have to grow on me. We're on the last wig of the night. 3C Whirly. It doesn't have a name.
You can call her Maria.
Maria. You would say Maria.
Maria.
I guess we're gonna call her Maria. This little lace thing in the front is hard. Oh, wait. I ripped it. What? It's too tight. My head too big for this. Let me loosen her up, put some lube on her. First of all, I don't look like that. I don't look like this.
Combed out.
Yeah, like that. I'm gonna put up some more. I don't like the way this is looking like. It look like short and then like, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, you might have to like
cut it or something. And like, you see? Like make it like,
Another fro.
yeah. What's going on, y'all? No.
I like it. Looks like curls.
What about like that?
There we go.
Like this?
I can see it.
Yeah. I think the length down here was making it look like a mullet.
You cannot.
Well, that's the last one. Well, that was all the wigs. Well, this is the end of the video.
Yeah.
I'll put the website in the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these wigs.
Why are you looking angry when you say that?
I look angry?
Yeah.
That's
You
crazy.
Why are you saying it?
I look like a
Okay,
little
these bitches are trying on the wigs now. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. That spit. Oh my God. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.